Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to my YouTube channel How to Learn. So today we are going to discuss a very fantastic thing. If somebody irritate you, so how you can irritate that person? If somebody is calling you again and again, so how you can call to him again and again without editing number and dialing the number? So still you do not like and subscribe my channel, first go and like and subscribe. And from where you will get the link? You will get the link from the description of this app. In the Play Store you will not get this app, so you have to go to the my this video, then you have to like and subscribe my channel and also comment the short comment as well. Then click on the title, you will get the link from the downside. Okay, so here is a link. So after doing this, talk zung, this is a app. You will see the interface like this. So start calls culture and language tutorials about exist. So we have to click on start, then we have to put the number. After putting the number we can see this. So after putting the number you have to click on the next, then it will ask you that how many times you want to call miss calls number, 2 times, 1 time and 4 times. So you have to click here 2 times. Okay, if you want to call that person 100 times, so you can call, then you have to click and then you have to tell after how many seconds. If you want to say that after 20 means after 1 minute, it can be after 1 second, so it can be. So this is very amazing to use. It should be 3 seconds. Okay, so we have done. So guys, you have seen that the automatically call will come. So this is very amazing, and go and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.